could you tell us about history of lovely linen?
The history of Lovely Linen is that my father started it in 1992 with the idea of bringing beautiful textile to the families in Sweden.
ERIK, explain us why linen is a good choice.
Linen is a good choice because it's super sustainable. It's the process of producing linen compared to cotton, for instance, is very good for the environment. Lasts forever. It's very strong. So if you invest in linen, you invest in something that will keep for many, many years, and you will have it your whole life, and that's fantastic.
What countries do you cooperate with and for how long?
We are represented in more than 20 countries, Australia, Japan, Iceland, so over all the world, and now we are very happy to be here in Poland for our first time and looking forward for this market.
Why Poland is the next distributor?
Poland, I think, is very interesting. It's a big country and the economy is very strong, and I think the people are open-minded for new trends, new design, and I think it's a perfect timing for us now to be here and to start our journey in Poland. And we have also found a good cooperator here in Poland, so that's important.
What kind of products you present during fairs?
We have the tabletop, so all the table setting, tableware, tablecloths, napkins, bathroom, if I say so, with hammam towels, kimonos, and all the things around that. And then we have the bedroom with all the lovely bedding settings.
Bardzo cieszę się, że to właśnie dzisiaj na targach EUROGASTRO wprowadzamy na rynek polski szwedzką markę Lovely Linen. Jestem bardzo podekscytowana, bo wiem, że wprowadzamy nie tylko niezwykłą jakość produktów, te produkty są piękne, zresztą co tutaj widać, ale wprowadzamy również ponadczasowy design i dbałość o detale. Lovely Linen to nie tylko wspaniałe tekstylia, ale przede wszystkim cała idea marki. Podejście do życia, pełne harmonii, spokoju, dlatego jesteśmy pewni, że tak samo jak my zakochacie się Państwo w tych produktach, dlatego zapraszamy serdecznie do kontaktu i mam nadzieję do zobaczenia.